Hello and welcome to lesson number 5. In this video, you're going to learn what Softaculous is and how to use it. Softaculous replaced Fantastico, which is basically a popular suite of software scripts that you can build into your website. Things like WordPress and Joomla. If you want a forum, you can build forums with Softaculous. There are a lot of different free scripts that you have access to that you do not have to spend extra money for. They're all built in. In other words, Softaculous gives you access to things like WordPress, blogs, bulletin boards, even support help desk, and more. In this lesson, you'll be given an overview of this suite and how to use it properly. We'll show you how to install things like WordPress with a few clicks of your mouse. Where it's located can be different for different people. For most of you, it should be located somewhere down near the bottom. If we keep scrolling down, we can see that it says the Softaculous Apps Installer. What's nice about this is you have access to tons of scripts that you could potentially use, and just be aware that you want to pick and choose whatever you want. It's super easy, so try to install as much as possible scripts, but just keep in mind that the more you install, the slower your website will be. So, pick and choose wisely. Maybe 1, 2, or 3 scripts maximum. Let me just do a quick run through here. We've got blogs. We've got microblogs. If you click these links down below, these are categories. These are all the scripts. If you're not really sure which one to choose, if you click on blogs here, you'll be able to see all the blogs. As we can see here, we've got WordPress, we've got OpenBlog, we've got Serendipity, and there's a lot more. I'm not going to go through every single one, but if you click on blogs, it will categorize it. Then you can look through this. You've got microblogs. We've got portals or content management systems like Joomla and all of that. There are also specialized ones for real estate and more. We've got forums here. So let's say, for example, you want to create a community. Click forums. We got PHP BB. We've got SMF. SMF is really good script for building community. PHBB is good. BB Press is also good. We have image galleries here. Keep in mind, if you're installing something like WordPress, you don't really need all of these. You can actually create all of these options within WordPress by using WordPress plugins. Then we have wikis. We have social networking scripts. We have calendars. We have analytics. And we have e-commerce. There are tons and tons of stuff in here. But at the end of the day, the best way to know exactly what to install is to figure out, okay, what is my plan? What is my vision? Does it actually match what I'm trying to do? Then go from there. Now, in this particular video, I want to show you how easy it is to install all of these. I'm going to click on WordPress here, and you can see within a few clicks and a few things that we need to enter, we're going to create a WordPress site really fast. All you need to do is simply scroll down and click on Install Now, and then it's going to say Software Setup. You want to choose your protocol. If you're using an SSL certificate, you want to use this HTTPS://. If you're not, then use one of these two and then one of these. Then of course, you want to choose your domain name. The reason why this is listed is because if you have a subdomain name, you can actually install it in there. Then there's the directory. If you leave this blank, it's going to install it at yourdomain.com. If you enter a directory, it's going to install it within that directory within yourdomain.com. So if it's WP, for example, it will be yourdomain.com/WP. So if somebody goes to yourdomain.com, they're not going to see the WordPress site. Hopefully that makes sense. Once you've done that, then what you want to do is enter your admin account, your admin username and password. I would say by default it has admin there, but it's highly advised not to use the word admin because most WordPress blogs use that, and it's super easy for people to hack into your site. So make sure you change something that is not admin and not even any words inside of your domain name. We'll just do something like that. Then, of course, we've got the password. Then you'll enter your email. You'll enter your site language, and then you'll choose what you want here. You can also choose a theme later. We'll just select this one here. Then you want to enter the email details that you want. In case it sends to you information in the future, you click Install. That's it. That's how easy it is to literally install the scripts. If you were to do this manually and install WordPress manually, it would actually take you literally about 30 minutes to install this, even though they say it's a 5-minute install process. Remember, using Softaculous allows you to install a variety of different software really fast. Hopefully, that opens your eyes to the potential software and scripts that you can install really fast. And with that said, let's move on to our next lesson.